Hey everyone, welcome you all for this series on Power BI. Hope you're all doing great. Well, in this video, I'm going to show you how to create a line chart. So line chart basically helps you in dealing with, when you want to do any analysis with a date type of data type. Let's say, for example, company is interested in knowing what is the profit in the year 2020, what's the sales in the year 2021, right? Similarly, what if company wants to know what's the total sales made in the last quarter? What is the sales made in the last 2 quarters? To do all these analysis, line chart and area chart plays an important role. So line chart just creates a line chart, line graph. Area chart just creates, similar to line, but it covers the area below the line. So that's a pretty difference between, line chart and an area chart. I'll just select a line chart and let's see how it works. Okay, I'll just fix this. As I told, one of the columns should be a numerical column and other one should be a date type of thing. So just do a drill up. Yeah. So this is how you create a line chart. I hope you can see. So you can see here, in our year 2015, the sales of a company is very less, and in 2017, the sales is very high. This is how you interpret. And also, let's say, for example, I want to do this analysis with respect to a region. Okay, so you just need to drag your legend with respect to just drag it on, just drag your region on top of a legend. You got 4 different lines. So what you can analyze from this, in the year 2017, the West is giving you the higher sales and South is giving you the very less sales. Similarly, you can interpret in the 2015, South is giving very less sales. East is giving a higher sales compared to Central and West. So this is how you do interpretation with respect to a line chart. What if you want to create a multiple line chart with respect to our different categories? We have 3 categories, right? So for that, what we do, here is an option called as a small multiples. Just drag your category on top of this. So that's it. You'll get a 3 multiple line graphs, which represents, year-wise sales with respect to furniture, year-wise sales in different regions with respect to office supplies and technology. So similar things could be plotted even using our area chart. Pretty simple, same like, line chart itself. Instead of just a line, it just covers the area below the line. So I'll select same columns, that is order date and sales. You'll get a graph something like this. What you can do, you can just drag a region into a legend so that you'll get a multiple area chart. I mean, it's same like a line chart, but it just covers the area below it. Okay, same interpretation. West is giving you the higher sales. South is giving you the very less sales. Area covered below the south line is like very less, right? So that's how we interpret. You can also create a multiple plots as well. Just go here and just drag your category on top of a small multiples. You'll get a multiple graphs. So this is all about, line chart and area chart. There is one more chart. We call that as a ribbon chart. So I'll just duplicate this page and I'll show you something interesting. We call it as a ribbon chart. Even this ribbon chart is used to do analysis with your date kind of data itself. I'll just remove this particular chart. I don't want this. So here is a concept called as a ribbon. To do the same analysis like, year-wise sales, we use another chart. We call it as a ribbon chart. Just select your order date and also just select your sales. You'll get a bars, right? Okay, you have to do some small change here. Just drag your, category on top of a legend. So here it shows you like, this is a ribbon chart. What it interprets. In the 2014 in office supplies, the sales was like very less. And in the 2015, like we don't see any much difference. It's less only. And only in the 2017, we can see increase in sales with respect to our office supplies. And look at this furniture. Furniture, the sales was second highest in 2014, and then it has become first highest in 2015, then reduced. Then in the year 2017, the sales related to furniture has gradually reduced. So this interpretation can be done with the help of ribbon chart. It looks like a ribbon, right? And also technology. See, in the year 2014, the sales was very high, gradually decreased in the year 2015, then it increased in 2016, and the sales in 2017 also increased with respect to our technology related products. So this is all about, line chart, area chart, and ribbon chart. All these charts are basically used to do analysis with respect to date and time. I hope it's clear. Thank you. Happy learning.